Hello, I'm Lisa from Institute Teacher, and today I'm going to show you Wall Pilates with type 1. Okay, so let's start a little warm up. So I just show you a couple of exercises I picked from Wall Pilates, like most typical Wall Pilates that you are familiar with by looking at the website. And there is millions of wall exercises that you can do, and also with Type 4. And I explore using Type 4, doing a lot of different kind of wall Pilates that actually enhance my workout. And Type 4 helps me, guiding me to balance better and actually work out and use my muscles more and getting me into the better positions and posture. So you saw me using many different way of using this type of bungees and this hand groups and the leg bungees. And there's so many, it's almost infinite ideas of how to wrap it. And like you saw me doing this, crossing the front, and this will like instant pull sets. So like I have personally tendency of sticking my ribs up, but I can just soften my ribs. This is just a reminder for me to soften my ribs and get the breath into my back. But this is also 30 pounds of weight, like this is harder to maintain that. The more you squeeze the ribs, you have to breathe against it, and that enhances my breathing, but also my arms working out. And this will guide the rotation as well. So there's so many benefits just crossing on one front. If you just follow the standard, that's also just nice resistance, and you move freer. And the leg bungees, my new favorite one is crossing just like this, and it's so easy. I almost don't have to look under, and I have to move it a little bit, but like that. And then you probably saw me, I don't know if you saw me doing a double, so you can do that double here, and then doing a double. So you see the inside X, the front and the back. And this is great. I love this so much because it really gets me into the center and give me a neutral positions of pelvis, and my shin that wants to go out like this, it gets me more gathering and getting to my inner thigh. And my arms are up. So this is my new favorite. And then this is, again, so easy. Just bring that like this. When you saw me squatting, just that. It's also bridging on the floor or squatting. This is great. Squatting against the wall, hard enough, but this is creating great alignment because it's Type 4, but also it gives me more work. I'm pressing it. And then this is also instant. You can just go like that. It's done. Undone. So, I'm just showing you so many different ways of wearing a Type 4 and wearing a different way of wraps. And I want you to be creative. And when I do envelope like this, it's throwing you off this, and you have to work that opposite of abdominal so that you have to kind of work against it and doing a single leg lift, stuff like that. Okay, so I am offering you a class. If you're interested in taking a lesson with me, I'm happy to customize this Wall Pilates with Type 4 for your benefit and for your client's benefit. And there's many, many ways of doing this. And get your Type 4, Type 4X, or standard Type 4, whichever. But I would love to show you more and more unlimited way of working out. And my clients love it, so just let me know and give me a call or emails. Thank you.